Welcome to the beginning of your video creation journey. Whether you're here to boost your business, elevate your brand, or simply to harness the power of video on social media and business, you've taken at least the first step towards mastering an invaluable skill. And like any other journey, there are going to be challenges ahead, but I got your back. Many of you might feel overwhelmed by the thought of creating videos. The tech, the content, the editing, the presentation, and overall just the general fear of getting on camera. But you're not alone. Everyone, and I mean everyone, including me, has started just like this. Every great videographer started somewhere, facing the exact same challenges that you do. And that's why we're here, guiding you through each step, making the unfamiliar familiar. From the basics of setting up your smartphones and how to craft them all together to demystify the whole crazy process. With years of experience, I've created this roadmap to make the very difficult incredibly simple. I've helped tons of my clients and me personally create content for their pages, create content for their business, even create ads to start generating leads, generating product sales, etc. And by the end of this course, you're not only going to know how to shoot the content and edit it, but you're also going to understand and have the power of creativity and confidence so you can do so easily, day by day, without a sweat. Whether it's capturing a story, selling a product, or just getting the behind the scenes day to day of your life, your business, your brand, you're going to have all those tools in your pocket and it's not going to be a worry any longer. I've created this super easy, comprehensive course that's completely do it yourself and completely all on your smartphone. Yeah, that's what I'm recording on right now. Through these simple techniques, practical exercises, and real-world examples, from selecting the right equipment, the right softwares, understanding composure and editing, we'll provide all the clear, concise, and simple to understand, simple to digest guidance and guidelines. I've personally used everything that I'll be teaching. For the past 7 years, I've been creating my own content, and virtually 99% of the content and the ads for my clients I've been doing on my phone. And the content may not look like it's from Sony or Disney, but it's super effective, clear, easy to digest, and most importantly, I do it quickly and easily. We're not here to be the top videographers of the world. We're here to be effective and efficient and not waste time. We want to get things out there and not have perfection, but have progress. And on average, I can script, record, edit, add captions, and post in about 30 to 45 minutes, and even run ads, and I've had leads coming in within under an hour, from idea to execution and leads coming in. As we embark this journey together, just want to tell you to have some patience, have some belief in yourself, and remember that every great video starts with just one shot. The challenges, they may seem daunting right now, but I promise you with each lesson, you're going to get closer and closer to your general goal of being able to handle all of your video by yourself. So let's start this adventure together and with a clear focus of where we're headed and how we'll get there. And welcome to the course that's going to transform your approach to video creation. Let's dive in.